level monograph of Tedizolid, suitable for pharmacology exams, nursing notes, or clinical reference. Tedizolid. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Tedizolid, administered as tedizolid phosphate, a prodrug. Drug class, oxazolidinone antibiotic, protein synthesis inhibitor. Brand name, Sivextro. Drug forms, oral tablet, 200 milligrams, intravenous IV injection, 200 milligrams single dose vial, reconstituted for infusion. 2. Definition. Tedizolid is a second-generation oxazolidinone antibacterial agent used for the treatment of acute bacterial skin and skin structure infections, ABSSI, caused by susceptible gram-positive pathogens, including multi-drug-resistant organisms such as methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA. It is structurally related to linezolid, but has greater potency, once-daily dosing, shorter treatment duration, and fewer adverse effects. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Tedizolid inhibits bacterial protein synthesis. It binds to the 23S rRNA of the 50S ribosomal subunit, prevents formation of the 70S initiation complex, which is essential for translation. This blocks bacterial growth and replication. Key points. Primarily bacteriostatic, can be bactericidal against some streptococci. Activity is concentration dependent. Less inhibition of monoamine oxidase MAO than linezolid. Lower risk of serotonin syndrome. 4. Pharmacokinetics, absorption. Oral bioavailability, 90%. Rapid absorption. Food has no clinically significant effect. Oral and IV doses are interchangeable, 1-to-1. Distribution. Widely distributed into tissues, including skin and soft tissue. Plasma protein binding, 70 to 90%. Volume of distribution supports effective tissue penetration. Metabolism. Tedizolid phosphate is a prodrug. Converted to active tedizolid by nonspecific phosphatases, minimal CYP450 involvement, low potential for metabolic drug interactions. Elimination primarily excreted via feces, minor renal excretion. Elimination is non-renal dominant. Half-life approximately 12 hours. Uses. Treatment of gram-positive bacterial infections, especially infections caused by resistant organisms, alternative to linezolid with improved tolerability. Indications. FDA-approved indication, acute bacterial skin and skin structure infections, ABSSI, caused by Staphylococcus aureus, including MRSA, Streptococcus pyogenes, Streptococcus agalactiae, Enterococcus faecalis. Examples of ABSSSI: cellulitis, abscesses, infected wounds, erysipelas. Number 7. Contraindications. Known hypersensitivity to tedizolid, other oxazolidinone antibiotics. There are no absolute contraindications related to renal or hepatic function. Here. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use with caution in patients with hematologic conditions, history of anemia, leukopenia, or thrombocytopenia. Tedizolid may cause bone marrow suppression, especially with prolonged use. Neurologic conditions, risk of peripheral neuropathy or optic neuropathy, rare, mainly with long-term use. Serotonergic risk. Although MAO inhibition is weak, use caution with ESA SNRIs, TCAs, MAOIs. Monitor for serotonin syndrome. Special populations, pregnancy, category not well established. Use only if benefits outweigh risks. Breastfeeding, unknown if excreted in breast milk. Immunocompromised patients, monitor closely. Now 9. How to use. Oral administration, swallow tablet whole, can be taken with or without food. Take at the same time daily. Intravenous administration, reconstitute and dilute as recommended. Infuse over 1 hour. Do not give as IV bolus. Switch to oral therapy when clinically appropriate. 10. Dosing information. Adult dose, standard, 200 milligrams once daily for 6 days, root, oral or IV. Renal impairment, no dose adjustment required, safe in mild to severe renal impairment. Hepatic impairment, no dose adjustment required. Pediatric use, safety and efficacy not established. Number 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered. If close to next scheduled dose, skip missed dose, do not double the dose. Overdose, limited data available, possible symptoms, nausea, vomiting, dizziness. Management, supportive care, monitor vital signs, seek immediate medical attention. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. Do not stop early, even if symptoms improve. Premature discontinuation may lead to treatment failure, Antibiotic resistance. Avoid unnecessary prolonged use. Avoid self-medication. Number 13. Side effects. Common side effects: nausea, headache, diarrhea, vomiting, dizziness. Less common: constipation, insomnia, increased liver enzymes. Serious, rare: myelosuppression, anemia, thrombocytopenia, peripheral neuropathy, optic neuropathy, lactic acidosis, serotonin syndrome. Number 14. Vital information. Patient counseling points. Complete the entire 6-day course. Report easy bruising or bleeding, fever or signs of infection, vision problems or numbness. Inform healthcare provider of all medications. Lower risk of serotonin syndrome than linezolid, but caution still required. 15. Other drugs will affect Tedizolid. Drugs requiring caution: SSRIs, fluoxetine, sertraline; SNRIs, venlafaxine; TCAs, MAO inhibitors, triptans, dopamine agonists, adrenergic agents. Drug interaction summary: Tedizolid is a weak MAO inhibitor. Risk of interaction is lower than linezolid. Monitor closely when used with serotonergic drugs. Summary: Tedizolid is a potent, well-tolerated oxazolidinone antibiotic with once-daily dosing, fewer drug interactions, and excellent activity against resistant gram-positive pathogens, especially MRSA. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.